morning. So it is Sunday morning. It's gonna be a rainy day today, so I gotta get out early and get some more firewood in. They changed the litter boxes. They use like wood pellets, so it's gotta go down over the side of the hill and into the side of the woods. And so I got a few things to do before the rain really picks up, probably in about an hour. Moby's been extremely vocal this morning. I had some difficulty getting the fire started this morning because I slept so well last night. And this wood stove, like, there's really barely even any coals left over if you actually sleep 8 hours and wake up. So I got it, but it took a little bit. But I think he was mocking me the whole time. He was doing his hello Moby kind of thing over and over again as I was there trying to get the fire started, but that's all right. We were chatting a little bit, and I'll probably let him out today because I'll be inside all day. But yeah, so I'm just gonna run out, take care of the animals outdoors. It'll be an indoor day for them, that's for sure, or it's gonna be raining all day. And then I'm gonna quickly go get some firewood because there's enough by the stove that'll last us about 4 days, pretty much, if I had the fire on constantly. And obviously it needed to burn quite a bit at night so that you've got some coals left in the morning. So yeah, I'm down now to like the bottom layer, and I don't want to take the bottom layer out because once you get that set, then you can stack really easily. So probably need about 4 or 5 wheelbarrow loads of wood. So I better get to it instead of talking to you. Oh, Moby and I are just going for a walk through the house. He gets to lord over everybody. I mean, he's a dinosaur, so he pretty much is a lord. Isn't that right? Who's that stupid cat, huh? Wanna sit at the dining room table? Huh? Wanna sit at the table for a while? Okay. Okay. We can sit at the table for a bit. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. How are you, Moby? Rufus, go away. Hey, buddy. Hello, Moby. Hello, Moby. Hello, Moby. Hello, Moby. Wow. Hi. Hello, Moby. See, that's you in there. That's you. Look. That's you. Say hello, Moby. Hello, Moby. Oh, too cute. I swear I could just play with this guy all day. Guys, I've done it. You have no idea how incredibly happy this makes me. Just chilling on the couch here. I've got Finn looking at me now that I'm speaking, but I've got a cat here with me and just reading a little bit of my book. And yeah, it's been such a lazy day. Oh man, could I ever fall asleep right now? And I might even take a nap. I'm hoping that the rain's gonna start soon, or end soon rather. I've got enough wood over there to get me through even tonight, but I'd rather get it inside now, stacked up, and then I'm good for the next few days. Don't have to worry about it. But yeah,
it's just a rainy day, not much going on, so Moby and I had some good times together there. He's actually sleeping in his cage right now. I love when they got their eyes closed. So great. Cats everywhere. I just had some like instant ramen and just gonna chill, man. I don't know. Today's might be a little bit of a short one, or I might combine it with tomorrow. I have no idea, but I'm back in the office tomorrow. Another cat just joined me. I'm back in the office tomorrow. And Rufus, your tail. That's rude. Yeah, back in the office tomorrow, so I'll have to get up a little earlier and, take care of the outdoor animals before I go. And obviously just, come home right away after work and take care of them again for their evening stuff. But Jamie texted me. She's made a bunch of, oh my God, dude, just move your tail out of my face, would you? Thank you. Jamie's made a bunch of like homemade vegan sausage, and she's made me like mashed potatoes and roasted veggies, and that's gonna be my lunches for the week. And I've got some shepherd's pie here that she made up probably a month or two ago now, and that'll be my my dinners. I can see the rocking chair in the sunroom rocking, but it's because a cat just jumped off of it. Interesting. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna go for now. I'm just gonna get back to reading my book. This is a really good book, guys. You should definitely check it out. And I might even take a nap. Alright, so it is the evening now. Just took care of the animals outside. Stopped raining, got all that firewood in, which is good, so I'm good for another few days there. And I'm just having some dinner, so I'm making myself a chickpea salad sandwich. Jamie made up some chickpea salad and a bunch of homemade bread, so I'm just making that for myself now. And then I've also got a bowl of apple slices and a couple of walnuts, and that's for Moby. And he's gonna join me out in the living room for a little while today, because he loves it outside and he likes me now, so that's cool. And he didn't bite my ear, so that's awesome. All right, so just gonna make this and sit down and eat for a bit and probably watch some YouTube or something, maybe even watch a movie, I'm not sure. Back to the office tomorrow, so it's gonna be a very chill evening. Have your walnuts. What? You want my sandwich? Well, you can't have it. I had to put a little piece of my chickpea in there for him to eat his own food.